Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a mains voltage detector using simple components like transistors, resistors, and an LED. Let's get started. First, connect the emitter of the first transistor to the negative point of the USB Type-A plug. This establishes our ground connection. Next, connect the emitter of the second transistor to the base of the first transistor. Then, connect the emitter of the third transistor to the base of the second transistor. Now, connect a 1 mega ohm resistor to the collector of the third transistor. Next, connect a 100k ohm resistor to the collector of the second transistor. Connect the free end of the 1 mega ohm resistor to the free end of the 100k ohm resistor. Then, connect a 220 ohm resistor to the collector of the third transistor. Now, connect the anode, positive side, of the LED to the positive terminal of the USB plug. Connect the cathode, negative side, of the LED to the other side of the 220 ohm resistor. This will allow the LED to light up when voltage is detected. Connect the free end of the 100k ohm resistor to the positive point of the USB plug. Attach a piece of copper wire to the base of the third transistor. This wire will act as the voltage sensor. Finally, connect the USB plug to a power bank and test the circuit by placing the copper wire near the mains power supply cable. The LED will glow when voltage is present, and it will remain off when there is no voltage. And that's it. You've successfully built a mains voltage detector. If you enjoyed this project, please like, share, and subscribe for more DIY electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching.